Baba, why do we celebrate Eid al-Adha with a sheep or a goat? Why do we give meat to people?
That's a beautiful question. Let me tell you the story of one of the greatest fathers and sons in our history. It's the story of Prophet Ibrahim and his son Ismael, a story filled with love, obedience, and sacrifice.
Wow, Allah's friend.
Yes, and one night, this friend of Allah had a dream. In that dream, he saw himself sacrificing his only son, Ismael. It was a test. Allah sometimes gives his dearest people the hardest tests. And Prophet Ibrahim knew this wasn't just a dream. It was a command from Allah. So Ibrahim went to his son Ismael. He didn't hide anything, he said. "My dear son, I saw in my dream that I must sacrifice you. What do you think? Oh my father, do what you are commanded. You will find me, inshallah, from among those who are patient." Just imagine a young boy calm, brave, and ready to obey Allah. Ismael laid down, and his father prepared to obey Allah. His hands may have shaken. His heart was heavy, but he trusted Allah. He was ready too, but just as he was about to bring down the knife, Allah stopped him, and Allah sent down a ram from the sky, a big, beautiful sheep to take Ismael's place. That's why every year on Eid al-Adha, Muslims all around the world remember this moment. We honor their obedience. We offer a sheep or a goat not because Allah wants meat, but to remember that real sacrifice is in the heart.
So when we give meat to the poor, it's like saying thank you to Allah.
Yes, it's our way of sharing the blessing, remembering obedience, and showing that we love Allah more than anything.
Happy Eid.